After weeks of falling coronavirus infections, over a dozen states began lifting social distancing rules yet again this week, worrying public health experts who believe them to be premature, and who warn of a resurgence like the one last spring that followed an easing of restrictions. U.S. coronavirus cases and deaths plummeted last month after peaking in January, and millions of vaccines are reaching American patients' arms every day, making some observers optimistic the country is moving in the right direction. Still, experts have remained cautious. When states tried to reopen businesses after last spring's lockdowns, cases quickly shot up again over the summer and forced some states to clamp down again, and lax social distancing restrictions last fall were partly blamed for the country's latest and most brutal surge. Dr. Rochelle Walensky, director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, warns this latest loosening of restrictions could cause the country to recede back into yet another surge, continuing a year-long pattern. Walensky said Monday she's really worried states are moving too quickly to lift their social distancing rules. The country's infection rate has leveled off in recent weeks, she said, and new variants are making the virus more contagious. President Joe Biden took a sharper tone on Wednesday, deriding Texas's and Mississippi's decisions to lift their mask mandates as Neanderthal thinking. A CDC study Friday found mask mandates are associated with lower rates of coronavirus cases and deaths, and counties tended to see a gradual uptick in cases and deaths after lifting their in-person dining restrictions. CDC chief is really worried about states loosening COVID-19 restrictions. Many are doing it anyway. Forbes, Texas and Mississippi drop COVID-19 restrictions, even mask mandates, Forbes.